Hey everyone, today I will show you how to view Instagram story without them knowing. And here's how it is done. Swipe pick method. Open Instagram and locate the story before the one you want to view. Tap and hold on the current story and gently swipe to the side. You will get a glimpse of the next story without fully opening it. Note, avoid releasing the screen as this will notify the person. Create a separate account. Log out of your current account and create a new one. Follow the person whose stories you wish to view. If their account is private, ensure they accept your follow request. Other methods, limited effectiveness. The airplane mode trick no longer reliably works due to Instagram updates. Consider third party apps cautiously as they may compromise privacy. Tips: use the swipe pick method for a quick look at the first or last story. Creating a second account offers full access but requires extra effort. And that is everything you need to know about how to view Instagram story without them knowing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.